everyone! Tired of struggling with complex video editing tools? Today we're introducing Invideo, the ultimate video creation platform that simplifies the entire process. With its intuitive interface and a wealth of templates, media, and editing features, Invideo is a game changer for content creators, marketers, and businesses alike. Join us on this journey as we explore Invideo's powerful capabilities and demonstrate how it can revolutionize your video content. Stay tuned and let's embark on a creative video making adventure together. What is Invideo? Invideo is a versatile online video editing platform that empowers users to create professional quality videos with ease. It offers a user-friendly interface and a vast library of templates, stock footage, music, and special effects, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced video editors. Lifetime deal prices and offers on Appsumo. Invideo is currently offering an attractive lifetime deal on Appsumo for a one-time purchase price of just $99 instead of the regular price $180. Users gain access to the Invideo Studio, which encompasses a wide range of features and benefits. With this deal, users can create watermark-free videos and export up to 60 videos per month. They also get access to a vast library of resources, including over 5,000 handcrafted templates and 10 iStock media items per month. Invideo's extensive media library includes 1 million plus premium media and 3 million plus standard media options, ensuring a rich source of content. The deal also includes features like 1080p video resolution, royalty-free music, complete reseller rights, 20 remove background credits, and 10 GB of storage space. It's a fantastic opportunity for individuals and businesses looking to elevate their video creation game while enjoying substantial savings on this comprehensive video editing platform. Features included in all plans. Check out the link in the description for more details on our Appsumo offer. Invideo special features that you will buy immediately upon seeing. Invideo, the versatile online video editing platform, boasts several special features that set it apart in the world of video creation. Extensive template library. Invideo offers access to over 5,000 professionally designed templates for diverse video needs. Media resources. With access to 1 million plus premium media and 3 million plus standard media items, users have a wealth of resources at their fingertips. This extensive media library includes images, videos, and music tracks to enhance video content. Ease of use. Invideo's user-friendly interface makes video editing accessible to everyone, from beginners to professionals. Its drag-and-drop functionality simplifies the video creation process. Watermark-free videos. Users can create videos without watermarks, giving their content a polished and professional look suitable for sharing on any platform. Complete reseller rights. This unique feature allows users to not only create videos for themselves, but also offer video creation services to clients, expanding their earning potential. Invideo's combination of these special features makes it a powerful and convenient tool for individuals and businesses looking to craft compelling videos for various purposes. Who can benefit from using this product? Invideo is versatile and offers benefits to a wide range of users, including content creators, educators, marketers, businesses, agency owner. Invideo's user-friendly interface and extensive resources make it accessible and beneficial for anyone looking to create high-quality videos for various purposes. Appsumo offers significant discounts now, 45% discount available, so buy now! How to get 10% off on Appsumo Invideo lifetime deal? Stay tuned! Exclusive discounts and offers are always around the corner. Keep an eye out and grab the deal when it's hot. Grab an additional 10% off SpeechKai lifetime deal. Visit Appsumo's Invideo lifetime deal offer. Find out about a cheap pop-up bar. Type in an active email address. Continually use the same email address. Look in your email to find the 10% off promotion. SpeechKey Real Customer Review lifetime deal. Don't just take my word for it. Users worldwide are raving about the Invideo lifetime deal. From its intuitive design to its robust features, the reviews are in, and Invideo is a hit. Let's show real review. Are you still waiting? So sad, don't miss out! Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. Invideo is truly a game changer for video editing. Unlock the power of Invideo today and elevate your video creation to new heights. It's time to make your videos stand out with ease and creativity. If you found this review insightful and want more video editing tips, tutorials, and reviews, be sure to give us a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe for more exciting content.